Welcome back. Now we're going to go through the same process within Aweber. Now once again, when you are undertaking a process like this, it's assumed that you're using one list and many tags for many purposes. And so when that's the case, what you're going to do is you're going to create a segment of your subscribers. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to say that the tag of the segment that we want is going to be a certain tag that we know has already been created. And you'll see that tag pre-populates inside of Aweber. So what we're going to do is we're going to now create the segment, and then what we're going to do is we're going to save the search as a specific segment. You're going to save the new segment. Then within the broadcast, what you're going to do is schedule your broadcast. What you're then going to do is you're going to, instead of using the active subscribers, you're going to edit this and you're going to select your segment. And you're going to send to the segment within your list and apply it. And whether you send your email immediately or whether you schedule it, you will have sent to specific individuals within the specific segment. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.